Hello everybody and welcome back to another one of my videos. Today I'm going to be making for you Singapore stir fry. I'm going to show you the ingredients what we're going to be using for today. You're going to see that some of them have already been pre-cooked, so we're going to just show you the process and what we're going to do for today. Right everyone, these are ingredients what we're going to be using. This is just for lunchtime with a few things what I've got left over. Got some chopped chicken. We've got some plum sauce with hoisin sauce and a little bit of soy sauce, a little bit of chili sauce in this one. We've got our Singapore style noodles. I'm just going to use those up. We've got our mixed veg, which is carrots, cabbage, bean sprouts, and we've got some lump sugar, and we've got a selection of side things, which is sesame toast, some wontons, and some spring rolls what we had left over. And I've also got some bean sprouts, so I might put some extra in there for me. So I'm going to show you the process what we're going to be using for today. We've got our wok on our cooker. Just going to move the camera into position. I'm going to light up the fire underneath that. We've got our wok on, and I'm going to put this selection in our oven. So you're going to want your wok on a medium to high heat. And I've got a little bit of vegetable oil in there, as you can see. And once we've got the heat through that, we're going to put in our rock sugar. I have to be careful with this wok. I don't really like using a wok. I need to send to China to get one of the proper heavy duty ones. This is just a lightweight one. And I haven't seen one of the heavy duty ones around for sale over here. Right, I'm going to add our rock sugar. What that is in there. So I'm going to add our rock sugar to that. And that's going to just melt off a bit. Now, so we've got our rock sugar. We're just going to let that dissolve out. Then I'm going to put our chopped chicken in there. Pop that through. You can see that rock sugar gives it an amber glaze to the chicken. Then I'm going to put in our stir fry mix. keep stirring it in. If your fire's too high, you can turn it down a bit. So just going to let that so I'm going to let this sweat down a bit. Once it's sweat down a bit, I'll get back to you. Right, so we've got our noodles and our chickens and everything cooking down now. Sweated it down. So now we're going to add our noodles to it. I'm going to give that a good stir through so it's all incorporated. We're going to add our sauce to it. Just get a spoon so I can get all that out. All our sauce, and we're going to give that a stir through. So we've got all this sweated down nicely, so we're going to take it off the heat soon. So if you're liking our videos, please remember to like, share and subscribe, and tell a friend to tell another friend. If you want to leave a comment, please leave a comment in the comment section. We will get back to you on them. If there's anything that you want to see us do, just drop us a line and let us know, and we'll try and do it when we can. So I'm going to take this off the heat now. You can see that's looking really nice. So I'm going to take that off the heat, and then I'm going to plate up a plate and show you how it looks. Right everybody, this is what it looks like plated up. We have our Singapore stir fry. I hope you all enjoy this one. Please remember to like, share and subscribe, and tell a friend to tell another friend. And thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Thank you.